There is strong evidence to suggest that excessive sitting can have negative health effects and potentially contribute to a shortened lifespan. Prolonged periods of sitting, especially when combined with a sedentary lifestyle, have been linked to a variety of health risks like type 2 diabetes, obesity, cancer, and heart disease. In fact, a recent study even links it to an increased risk of dementia. Additionally, sitting for extended periods of time can lead to musculoskeletal problems, including back pain, neck pain, and poor posture. Regular physical activity is important for maintaining good health and reducing the risks associated with excessive sitting. Engaging in moderate to vigorous exercise, such as walking, jogging, or strength training, can help counteract the negative effects of prolonged sitting. If you plan to be sitting for a prolonged period of time, take regular breaks. Try to take a break every hour and incorporate simple actions like standing up, stretching, or even taking 250 steps. These simple intermittent activities are shown to be beneficial. Overall, while sitting itself may not directly shave years off your life, excessive and prolonged sitting combined with a sedentary lifestyle can contribute to various health issues and potentially impact the longevity of your life. It is essential to maintain a balance between sitting and physical activity to support your overall health and well-being. If you're looking for additional tips for healthy living and weight loss, please visit our website at healthymeweightloss.com. My caring team and I are here to improve your health through weight loss each and every day.